Bonjour. Now, every time I keep talking about entries, I'm going to show you something. So yesterday night, we entered this trade here. We bought. It's a buy. We bought a trade. And then the buy, this is an account management. So yeah, you can see it is an account management though. You can see the balance of $62. The other part, I hadn't traded the accounts. It was from the balance of $62. Now, this is V25 buy. As you can see, we bought the trade. Now, we bought the trade here. And then the trade milked all the way up to this place. And we closed. And then again, we sold the market. You understand? So we bought interchangeably. We bought here, closed here, and then we sold again, and then we're going to take our profit here. And already in the sell, we are already over $500 profit. So forex market is very easy with Milk DERIV Group. It's very easy with Milk DERIV Group. Contact us at www.milkderivefsgroup.com. Let me reply some messages.